say.
What's up, trains and carriages and quasi stuff? We've got a train here in Stanwood. Now, as you can see, here it is. See, there it is.
Did you have a guess of what kind it was?
No.
It might be an oil train? Or coal?
There's a CM on it.
Loaded oil. No, it's a Ferromix.
Woo! Picking up speed.
That's the end of my video, and we're gonna do a quad video this time. My sister's gonna ride, I'm gonna ride, my dad's gonna ride, and my mom's gonna film. And my mom is gonna be filming for me this time, and I'll see you in that video, so bye!